Okay, let's discuss incline bench pressing. So again, if you go to a standard gym, 24-hour Golds, Equinox, whatever, Planet Fitness, whatever it is, they're normally gonna have an incline bench press already set up for you. The only thing you're gonna need to adjust will be the depth of the bottom little seat there. Now because we're in a half rack here, I had to raise these up with Christian just to get it in the right height and create the incline and make a couple of adjustments. But again, you're gonna go to most gyms in America, you're not gonna have to deal with all that. You're just gonna need to sit at the incline bench, and 9 times out of 10, you're gonna get on, as a spotter, you're gonna get on a platform behind it to spot over. It actually gives you a little bit more mechanical advantage. Remember, the bench press, the flat bench is lower, so I could be down here. Now with the incline bench press, I'm a little higher. So it does create a little bit more of a unique challenge, but we'll bear with it. All right, so Christian's gonna go ahead and lie back. Again, we've got his plates on, we've got the collars on, the bar is centered just above his head. He's gonna be lifting the bar out and bringing it out over his chest. He's gonna basically bring the bar down to the top of the chest. Remember, this is more of an intermediate between the vertical and the incline, the horizontal press. So it's gonna be roughly in between them. The same rules apply. He's gonna do a standard grip, thumb over grip for safety. He's going to grip the bar nice and tightly. He's gonna pop the bar up and out, and he's gonna try and bend the bar to the best of his ability. He's gonna keep the forearm parallel as he comes down because he hopefully is set up correctly. And then I'm gonna be here to spot, and we'll show you how to do this. So we'll just do a couple reps just to demonstrate. All right, Christian, you good?
Yep.
Okay, so staggered stance for me, so I'm in a better position to spot him. I'm gonna give him a lift up, so on 3, 1, 2, 3, up. And I'm gonna let him go out over the chest. Go ahead. He brings the bar down, forearms are parallel to the top of the chest, right back up. Let's do 2 more of those. I'm gonna go with him. If you can touch the chest, it's totally fine. I don't know if you can get down that deep. Squeeze your shoulder blades, there you go, right back up. And then I'm gonna bring the bar back. Very similar to the flat bench. The variation is just now you're at about a 45 to 60 degree angle, which will give a little bit more emphasis to the shoulders, and to some extent the chest. It's just a slight angle. It doesn't only work the upper fibers. A lot of people make that mistake. They say, oh, it only works the upper fibers. The reality is the chest is a fan muscle, and you can work it from a few different angles, and that just is just a little variation on stimulation that recruits the muscle fibers just slightly differently. You can't disassociate the parts of the chest, nor for any body part for that matter. So if I say, hey, I want to focus on my lower abs or my upper chest, that's actually a misnomer that's often used in the gym that we call bro science. You can't just prioritize one group of muscles. That's actually counterintuitive or counter to how we actually function. It just depends on the angle, the joint that you're actually working. But the majority of the chest is still going to work. Now it just happens to work more when the bar is in the horizontal position. You're going to get more shoulder when you do more of a vertical position.